The absolute best home solutions for head lice incorporate the utilization of infant oil, olive oil, salt, careful brushing, exhaustive cleaning, and white vinegar. Home remedies for head lice. Olive oil. On the off chance that you apply olive oil or infant oil to your hair, the thick, gooey oil will choke out the head lice. The best methodology for this strategy is to apply the oil around evening time, wear a shower cap to bed, and afterward eliminate it in the first part of the day. You should then have the option to search over your oil-slicked hair and eliminate the entirety of the head lice. Follow this by careful shampooing and assessment for at any rate 1 extra week. Garlic. Despite the fact that there aren't numerous oils in garlic, the overpowering smell of garlic can likewise choke out head lice. You should crush roughly 10 cloves of garlic into a glue and apply the rotten combination to your hair. Leave this in your hair for around 30 minutes, viably choking out the lice. With a fine brush, the dead lice would then be able to be taken out very easily. Follow this by exhaustive shampooing and review for at any rate 1 extra week. Child oil. The special formula for this head lice expulsion method incorporates infant oil, clothing cleanser, and white vinegar. You should initially wash your hair altogether with infant oil, trailed by washing it with a limited quantity of clothing cleanser. Apply white vinegar to your hair under a shower cap that evening prior to resting, and the entirety of your head lice will be passed before sunup. Cleanser your hair and condition it prior to brushing completely. Issue addressed. Salt. Mix salt into vinegar and apply the mix to your hair for quick outcomes and a great deal of dead head lice. This is a solid mix, so very little is required. Apply the combination with a splash container and afterward wear a shower cap to bed. Toward the beginning of the day, cleanser and condition your hair and brush your hair with a fine brush. No more lice.